Now here's some place you can put it, and it cracks me up. Lots of times people will put a mat on the inside of their carpet, inside the house, and not outside. Use it and keep it outside. Don't put it inside. If you put it inside, especially if you use a carpet like I just used, and you've got the backing of the carpet, eventually it's going to mark your existing carpet or put a sun stain right there. If your blinds are open, you got sun coming down on your carpet. See right here? See this sun stain? This is where they had something, the previous owner had something here before, and the rest of the carpet was open. Now see, this is the color that the carpet used to be. After the sun got on it, this is the color of all the carpet after the sun got on there. See there? It's not a stain. Somebody didn't spill something on the floor there. But you can see what happens when you get something that discolors. So you're going to have that same issue if you put carpet, a little pad right there by your door, and then decide to pull it up later or whatever. Well, where else could you put a piece of carpet? Now see, they had a little remnant piece of carpet and they cut it. They didn't even have it outside before. Look where they had it. They had it inside. They put that piece inside. I didn't want it inside. See how it's discolored? The floor, the backing, and because the sun's coming in here and everything. And because that was dirty, I just ended up just setting it outside. I could change that and put another piece. I could take a piece of carpet that I have out there that I'm using now. I could cut that and put a nice little piece there. But eventually it's going to get all worn and discolored, and from the rain, from your feet walking in and out and whatever. So it's best to put an actual floor mat out there. Now see, I'm glad I was talking to you, because here is going from the house outside into another garage. And I'm going to end up putting a piece out here. I still have all that carpet in there. So I'm going to measure this. I got 16 3/4. This side is 16. At the end there, it's like they didn't frame that very well, did they? They didn't form it. 16 3/4. So I'm probably going to make this. And I can make this however I want. I can cut it to fit this. I just have to make sure I measure it properly. And then I don't have a floor mat out here on the actual concrete in the garage, do I? Well, I can put a mat there. I could get a mat, or I can cut a piece. And I think I'm gonna measure from this edge, from that point in there. And that's like 17 1/2. And I can cut a strip. 17 1/2. Just a long piece. And put one here if I want. Or I can just make that 12 inches. I can make it whatever I want. Okay, so that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to have a piece here so I can wipe my feet out here and then go on up. Only because I have the carpet. If I didn't have anything, could I leave everything just like this? Yeah. Could I put a floor mat down here? Just a little cheapo? Yeah. Could I put one little cheapo mat there? Yeah, probably. But because I have that carpet, I'm going to take some more measurements and I'm going to cut some for here too.